Om Shanti. Today, I, the Divine Soul, the child of the Supreme Soul, am turning my face towards the land of peace and heaven. Today, I take my feet, intelligence and consciousness away from this hell. I am the destroyer of attachment. Om Shanti. In today's Murli, Bab Dada says, storms only come to those whose intellect's yoga is facing the land of peace and heaven, which means the more we'll try to transform our old sanskars, habits, behavior, lifestyle, etc., the more our old sanskars, lifestyle and behavior will challenge. So it's important to keep this thing in our minds, that mind is full of Maya, and Maya is definitely going to get us in upheaval. So it's important to convince the mind to stay in remembrance of Shiv Baba by using the divine intelligence given by Shiv Baba. Shiv Baba also said that on the path of ignorance, your faces turn away from your old home and you remember your new home. Suppose if the father is building a new home, so the children definitely used to forget the old home. Similarly, Shiv Baba says, you have to be wondrous about the fact that a new home, that is heaven, is being created for you children. So it's important to forget the old. Shiv Baba said, your stage needs to be that of a destroyer of attachment. You need to be detached from every materialistic item, every individual that you see, even your body for that matter, because everything that you see through these eyes is going to get destroyed. Shiv Baba said, a little flame is blown out by just one gust of storm, which means storm is capable enough to blow out the little, very little tiny flame of a candle or diya. So in order to preserve the flame, it's important to have the canopy of the remembrance of the only one Father who can keep the Maya, which is present in the mind, be absolutely safe by using the divine intelligence provided by him. Shiv Baba also said, just look what the world is like now today. There is so much sorrow within it. They have so much attachment to their children. If a child dies, they go completely crazy. So Shiv Baba is basically signifying the fact that no one is soul conscious. Everybody thinks that if a body is destroyed, then they had actually lost the loved ones, because they always loved the name and form of that particular body. Shiv Baba says, ask your heart, am I studying or not? Am I skipping the Murli? How many others do I teach? Because if you do not teach others, what status would you claim? However, Baba has explained today that suppose we have businessmen and poor people in this world, and if both of them are admitted in hospital, so the facilities that is going to be provided to them is surely going to differ, but the state of mind or the experience of the pain and sorrow is absolutely same. Similarly, the status in Satyug is going to be different, because a kingdom has to be established. But on the other part, the contrary is also true, that the state of mind of souls there is going to be full of happiness and peace, irrespective of their positions, just like people are unhappy and full of sorrow today, irrespective of their status and positions. Also, Shiv Baba said, a golden vessel is needed to hold this nectar of knowledge, just like a golden vessel is needed to hold the Linus milk. So Shiv Baba says that you have to be very pure. So we need to understand that this knowledge can't be implemented without remembering the Father and without filling ourselves or the vessels of intelligence with the power of Baba. because this knowledge is not ordinary, that we'll be implementing it without any strength and power from him. Also, Shiv Baba said that there are many children who even miss hearing the Murli. Many children remain careless about this. So we need to understand the importance of Murli. That Murli is something that is full of motivation, positivity and blessings. And all these three things can't be experienced in any other scripture or any other article that we study, which is full of motivation, reality, blessings and so much love, affection from the Father. Shiv Baba also said that Baba does not say do not hear, eat or drink, because this is not Hatha Yoga. While walking and moving around and doing everything else, just stay in remembrance of Baba in the same way as a lover remembers her beloved. So it's a very practical knowledge and remembrance that Shiv Baba is teaching us. He blessed us today by saying that may you be a master bestower of support for all by being a victorious jewel on the basis of faith. So Shiv Baba said that children who have faith in the intellect are actually victorious because they can uplift and motivate others also by having this faith inside. They always remain far from any waste. They do not try to make anyone look small, but they become master bestowers of support just as the Father. Also Shiv Baba said, only those who serve with their selflessness and stage that is free from any sins are embodiments of success. Om Shanti.